Learn with Zara, an educational channel. I am singing. I am jumping. I am running. I am hugging. I am crying. I am folding. I am eating. I am clapping. I am dancing. I am skipping. I am kicking. I am drinking. I am throwing. I am catching. I am hopping. I am pushing. I am pulling. I am sliding. I am swinging. I am crawling. I am painting. I am coloring. I am digging. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.